Tell your daddy hello. We're going to send this to your daddy in Australia, you bandit. Come on, babe. Go to tell daddy you're having fun, huh? Come here, bandit. Bandit. Come here. Good boy. Where's your toy? Bandit. Come here, buddy. Come here, bandit. Come on. Come on, I got your toy. Come here. Come on, Big B. Come on. Well. See, B. He just likes to smell everything. Bring it here. No.